Today I'd like to talk to you about a common failure that we're seeing in the full-size Chevy or GM truck line, be it the pickup, Tahoe, or Suburban. And that is the fuel pump is actually rotting out and causing an issue with either fuel leaking out onto the ground when your vehicle's running, or a lot of gas vapor smell that we've had our customers talk about when they're getting fuel or filling up their vehicles at the gas station. As you can see, we've got some examples here of a brand new fuel pump versus one that we just recently removed out of a pickup truck that the entire top of it is completely rotted out. We see this commonly from like the 03 on up vehicles. As they start to get some age on them, the elements have done their damage and caused the pumps themselves to rot out. We've got some pictures also here of the fuel tank with the rotted fuel pump in it. You can see there how it came out of the vehicle and it was just completely disintegrated. Basically, a lot of times it's just the area that we live in, salt damage, rust, or water gets up on the top of the tank and it can't properly drain off. So it just sits on top of the fuel pump itself, causing it to start to rust out, causing those failures. Sometimes it's just the actual fact that those fuel pumps create quite a bit of fuel pressure, and as the metal gets weak, it just can't hold that pressure back and causes a leak that way. So if you're noticing some gas on the ground, or you're smelling a lot of fuel vapor when you're getting gas in your GM full-size vehicle, and you're curious if you could have this issue, please feel free to stop by or give us a call. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.